Trains pilots at NASTAR in Southampton. He says the pilot of US Air 1549 made a number of split-second decisions when he lost both engines at 3,200 feet.
At about 3,200 feet, about here, he loses his power. Instinctively, he'll put the nose down to maintain glide speed, and he's going to turn around and look for a suitable place to land.
At this point, the pilot is multitasking. He's trying to restart his engines and calculating the amount of glide time he has left to keep the plane airborne.
So there's a lot of mental calculations and feeling of the airplane going on in the cockpit to determine what's this airplane doing and where am I going to be able to put it with the energy and the wind conditions and the location that I have.
And while he's calculating, he's also looking out the window to gauge his options.
Now you can see the land masses in front of me. We have New York to the left, we have the Hudson River here, we have New Jersey off to the right. As I try to decide where I want to land, there are really no choices. There's a landmass with heavy population to the left, there's heavy population to the right. So my choice is the river, which is right in front of me.
The pilot is now committed to a water landing, and instinct takes over. He has to dip the nose to keep his airspeed up. Then it's a matter of fighting crosswinds to keep the plane at just the right attitude.
My airspeed's bleeding down. I'm down to 400 feet. I can see the water. Keep that nose up just a little bit. And keep working it down. And there's the water landing there.
And quite a landing it was. We can only imagine the skill involved in making that landing. Glenn King says that even just the slightest miscalculation could have ended in disaster. Live at Philadelphia International, I'm David Henry, Channel 6 Action News. Jim?
Thank you, David.